students to our 2020-21 school year as a Seminole and to our grade level virtual expectations assembly today. Welcome back our 8th graders, 7th graders, and rising 6th graders. We give a warm welcome to our new Seminoles to Woodbridge Middle School. Our 8th graders are here to lead by example. I am your proud Principal Owens and know that each of you will have an amazing year with us as we work on goals, objectives, and expectations together. At Woodbridge Middle School, we believe in an inclusive environment where all are respected and achievement is expected. As we begin our virtual school year together for most and eventually in-person learning, we are still expected to follow the Prince William County Code of Behavior and Woodbridge Middle School distance learning expectations and guidelines from your teachers, staff, and administrators. You have grade level administrators. Mr. Faust is the 8th grade administrator, Dr. Hebel is the 7th grade administrator, and Ms. Prawl is the 6th grade administrator. You are to follow the classroom and school expectations given to you while either in a virtual or in-person environment. A reminder to you that when using our Prince William County school devices and or your personal devices, please follow the county's guidelines. We expect pride at Woodbridge Middle School, preparation, respect, integrity, self-discipline, and effort. Violations of Prince William County Code of Behavior and WMS expectations will result in consequences. We continue to follow the chain of command with your teachers, your grade level administrators, and then the principal. I want all of my students to succeed and to be successful. My advice to you is to take pride in your learning and all that you do. Use tips to stay organized. Respect yourselves and your families and others. There are many resources for you at our school. Mondays are virtual school hour days to catch up on your learning and your assignments and tasks, to get organized and to plan for the week. Use your school counselors. Get to know them. They will have a special time with you in a few weeks. We have a school social worker, Ms. Kara Burnham, a school psychologist, Ms. Linda Ross, and a school nurse, Mrs. Kristen Mickelson. Remember, we are all in this together, and I am, you are, we are together. Team Woodbridge. Have an awesome school year.
We're going to go through the distance learning, student expectations. So I want to make sure that I talk about the first two, preparation. Are you guys ready? Is your learning space in order? Is the technology working before you start? Make sure your devices, your cell phones, anything of that can be disruptive is turned off. Make sure your materials are already in place and that you know exactly what time you need to be on. Check your due dates for activities and assignments to make sure that those are done. Respect. Very important that you need to respect the Zoom lessons. This is direct instruction. We should treat it as such. Facial expressions, anything that is on the video images needs to be professional at all times. Make sure you're quiet. We're honoring one voice. All comments need to be respectful. Value the school property. That the computer that you're using is school property. Make sure that you take care of it. And continuing on with the chart, we have integrity. You are doing your work. No one else is doing your work for you. Support classmates' opinions Make sure to help others if they need help. Use the Zoom for school only. Self-discipline. Make sure you need to be in class every day. Follow the class procedures. Follow the teacher's procedures. Check your calendar. Make sure you're there when you need to be. Homework. Check for homework. And make sure you use your time wisely. Try your best. On effort, try your best. If you need help, make sure you reach out. The teachers are there for that. Participate within the Zoom direct instruction. Complete your activities. Do your work neatly. Check over your work and make sure before you turn in. And help others if they need assistance. Again, with the distant learning student expectations and the technology use, please make sure that your device is charged. That's under preparation. Use technology appropriately and take good care of your device. That will be coming back to the school when you return face-to-face. Respect others that are online. Login passwords keep to yourself. They are private. If they go out and we find out there's consequences for those behaviors. Avoid eating and drinking while using the device. Integrity. Think before posting. Don't do anything that you know is going to get you into a situation. Cite sources and pictures, information. Self-discipline. You need to stay on task. Make sure you're doing what's necessary to be successful. Avoid and report inappropriate sites. Make sure you avoid and report inappropriate sites. Use the school issue device for school use only. And please take pride in completing all your assignments to the best of your ability under effort. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Faust. Tonight, I'm going to talk just a little bit about the Distance Learning Handbook, which is a great resource to our families and to our students. At Woodbridge Middle School, we believe in an inclusive environment where all are respected and achievement is expected. And this is based on our 3 core values of inclusiveness, resiliency, and commitment. When we practice these and believe these values, our students go far, our teachers go far, and we're a better community from such. But it's very important that our students know their responsibilities, and those responsibilities include having a daily routine for your learning, making sure that your learning space is comfortable in your home and that you can work efficiently. That includes making sure that you have all of your materials, your paper, your pens, your pencils. You will need to monitor your announcements from your teachers to make sure you're meeting the deadlines and the due dates. And when something's not clear, email your teacher. They're there to help you and to assist you. We want you to do the best in your classes, and to do that, you need to be committed to your time and the timelines and the due dates to be successful. We want you to follow the technology use agreement and remember about our guidelines when it comes to web publishing. When you have questions, you ask your teachers. They're there to help you. And for our families listening tonight, just know we are here to welcome feedback. We are committed to you and your students, and we're here to help you, whatever the case may be. Mrs. Prawl?
Thank you, Dr. Hebel. Good evening. I'm Ms. Prawl, and I'm the 6th grade administrator. This evening, I'll be speaking with you about the virtual learning disciplinary information. During virtual learning, computer networks, and other electronic technologies shall only be used for valid educational purposes and only with the approval of a staff member. When using electronic technology in school, students are required to abide by the Code of Behavior and by the acceptable use guidelines stipulated in the regulations. Students may receive disciplinary consequences to include suspension for offenses including, but not limited to, cheating, plagiarism, harassment, and disrespectful behavior towards students, teachers, or designated staff members. Once an infraction has occurred, the teacher will give an in-class consequence. An example might be removal from that particular live class session. They'll initiate an intervention if needed. Possible interventions could include team conference with the student, team conference with the student and the parent, and student support service referral. Contact with the parent will be made via phone or email. An anecdotal record is completed by the teacher to include the date of the infraction, and whatever intervention was used. If needed, administration is notified for an administrative consequence if the violation is warranted. Please make sure that all regulations are followed. Thank you.
Hello, Woodbridge Middle students. This is Mr. Masson, Safety and Security Officer. Here are a few things to keep in mind during your distance learning. Number 1, do not share passwords to any of your accounts. That would be school accounts or social media accounts. Number 2, don't share any personal details. Number 3, don't post anything that could embarrass you. Nothing is ever truly deleted off the internet. Number 4, when on social media, make sure you represent yourself as yourself. Don't pretend to be anyone else. And number 5, report anything you feel that is suspicious to your parents or your teacher. We look forward to seeing you soon.